Hello students, today class we will discuss self-inductance. This topic is for third semester diploma in electronics and telecommunication students. This is in the first module. So let us discuss what is self-inductance. In first year basic electrical subject you have studied inductance. It is the property of a material which opposes any sudden change in current or any sudden change in the direction of current through it. So what is self-inductance? Self-inductance, it is the property of a coil due to which it opposes any increase or decrease of current or flux through it. So express it mathematical equation. First we see what is Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. According to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, whenever a coil having n number of turns, it consists of n number of turns, is placed within a magnetic line of force, then EMF is induced in this conductor, whose magnitude is directly proportional to the rate of change of flux linkage, that is minus n d phi by dt. This minus sign, it is for Lenz's law. Take it as equation 1. Or you may say that this EMF induced is directly proportional to the rate of flow of current through this conductor. Or we take a proportionality constant L di by dt. Take it as equation number 2. If you compare this equation 1 and 2, you get, I compare equation 1 and 2. And if you solve this equation, you get L is equal to N d phi by di, or you may write L is equal to N phi by I. The unit of L, that is the self-inductance, is Henry. Take it as equation number 4. So from equation number 4, it is very clear that a coil is said to have self-inductance of 1 Henry if a current of 1 ampere when flowing through it produces flux linkages of 1 Weber turn in it. Mutual inductance, it is the ability of one coil to produce an EMF in a nearby coil by induction process when the current in the first coil changes. Self-inductance is produced in a single coil, but mutual inductance, it is the property of a two coil which are mutually coupled to each other. Suppose I place two coil A and B nearer to each other. This is coil A and this is coil B, and allow the flow of current I1 through coil A. let N1 is the total number of turn consisted by coil A and N2 is the total number of turns consisted by coil B. Now how I express EMF induced in coil A and coil B? You know that if single coil is there, the EMF equation is, this is from Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Here I take the positive polarity, actually it is negative due to Lenz's law. So based on these two equation or principle, I express EMF induced in coil B with respect to coil A. It means as the definition says, EMF induced in a first coil when current changes in the nearby coil. So first I express EMF induced for coil B. For that I allow the flow of alternating current in coil A. Hence total number of flux, let phi 1 is induced in or links in coil A, this one, which also links with coil B. This total number of flux is impressed on coil B, due to which EMF induced in coil B is E2 is equal to, based on this equation, total number of turn consisted by coil B into total number of flux impinges on coil B, that is phi 1 by dt, equation 1. And based on the second equation, this E2, magnitude of E2 is equal to, here instead of L you write M, which is a constant called as mutual inductance, as the inductance properties comes due to the mutual sharing of the flux. Hence it is not L, not self inductance, but inductance due to mutual sharing, that is M. And due to which current this EMF induced in coil B? Due to current I1 flowing through coil A. Hence I write here I1 by dt. If you compare these two equation 1 and 2, you get the value of M as N2 d phi 1 by di1, or you may write M is equal to N2 phi 1 by I1. This is equation 3. This mutual inductance, we express this equation by allowing the flow of current I1 in coil A, so that the flux which one produced in coil 1 links with the coil 2, due to which EMF is induced in coil 2. Similarly, you can express the mutual inductance equation by allowing the flow of current through coil B. Let I allow the flow of current in coil B, which is I2, due to which let the total flux links with coil B is phi 2, which also impinges on or induces on or links with coil A. So EMF induced in coil A is let E1, here EMF induced is let E1. So from these two equation, it is number of turns of coil A is N1, it is due to flux phi 2 by dt. This is equation number let 4. Similarly, from this equation, E1 is equal to M di1, sorry it is 2 by dt, equation number 5. Due to current of coil B, EMF is induced in coil A. And if you express this equation, you get M is equal to N1 phi 2 by I2. Okay. Hence, from this equation, these two equation 3 and equation 6, you get the definition for mutual inductance as it is the ability of one coil. If two coil are mutually coupled with each other, or they come nearer to each other, then it is the ability of one coil to produce an EMF in a nearby coil by induction process when the current in the first coil changes. Induction process means there is no electrical connection in between these two coils. No electrical connection. They are magnetically coupled, or they are magnetically linked or connected to each other.